everyone, it's Sasa and welcome back to Sasa's Stitch channel. Are you ready to dive into the wonderful world of crochet? In today's video, I'm gonna share with you 6 basic stitches that are perfect for beginner. Let's grab our hook, yarn, and get stitching now. The first of all, I would like to share how I grab the yarn. The first, we pull over the yarn in the baby finger. Pull it up to the second finger, and we use the first and the third finger to hold the yarn like this. About the hook, we just relax our hand and hold it slowly, not very tight, like this. Now we're gonna do the slip knot. We put down and yarn over to create the hole, and then we grab the yarn and pull into the hole. So we have the slip knot ready to crochet. Then we make the chain stitch. The chain stitch, we grab the yarn, then pull over the hook. So we have one chain. Repeat. Grab the yarn and pull into the hole. We have another chain. Again, grab the yarn and pull into the hole. Here. We have more stitch. Grab the yarn and pull into the hole. Grab the yarn and pull into the grab the yarn and pull into the hole. Grab the yarn and pull into the hole. So this is the chain stitch. We will turn over and make another one chain. Okay, then now we will make a slip stitch in the second stitch here. We put inside, yarn over, pull and pull again here. So we have one slip stitch. And we move to the single crochet. Single crochet, we start from here, turn over the yarn, grab into 2 loop here. This is single crochet. We move to half double crochet. Yarn over to the hook and make from here. Wrap the yarn, and now we will go through 3 stitches. So we have half double crochet. We will make the double crochet now. Yarn over in this stitch, grab the yarn, like this. We will move 2 steps here, yarn over and go 2 stitches only, and step 2 we move to 2 stitches again. So we have double crochet. The next we will move to triple crochet. Triple crochet, we yarn over 2 times, then make here, yarn over. Now we make 3 steps. First step, we go through 2 stitches, finish the first step. Second step, we go through 2 stitches here, and the last step we go into last 2 stitches. So we have triple crochet, and now we will make double triple crochet. We will yarn over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then we pull here, grab, and now we have 4 steps. First step, go into 2 stitches. Second step, go through 2 stitches again. The third step, we will go to 2 stitches, and the last step we go next. So we already finished 6 basic. We have 1 slip stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, and 1 double triple crochet. I hope this video helpful for you, and please don't give up to practice. The more we practice, the more we improve our skill, and I'm sure that you will love crochet too much. Thank you to watching my tutorial today. I hope it's helpful for you, and I will see you to the next video for more lovely crochet. Thank you. Have a nice day, everyone. Send you a big hug and a lot of love. Bye bye.